Science sleuths! It's me, Sparkie the STEM Lightbulb, back with another Mythbuster mission. Today's question: do magnets stick to all metals? Sounds easy, right? Let's test it. Well, lots of people think magnets stick to every single type of metal. But is that really true? Well, my bright idea is, let's grab a magnet and see. First up, this paperclip. Snap. Yep, it sticks. Paperclips are made of steel, and steel contains iron. One of the metals magnets love. Now, the aluminum can. Tap. Tap. Nope. No stick. That's because aluminum is not magnetic. How about a copper coin? Nope again. Copper is not magnetic either. Gold ring? Nope. Sorry, treasure hunters. Gold isn't magnetic. And this steel spoon, yep, sticks. Just like the paperclip. To go one step further, magnets only stick to certain metals called ferromagnetic metals. That's a fancy science word for metals that have special magnetic properties. The big three are iron, like in many nails and paperclips. Cobalt, used in powerful magnets. Nickel, found in some coins and electronics. Other metals? Not so much. Aluminum, great for soda cans, but a total magnet flop. Copper, shiny and good for wires, but no magnetic pull. Gold and silver, sparkly, expensive, and magnet-proof. So if you try a magnet on your spoon, it might stick if it's stainless steel with iron, or slide right off if it's not. Magnets only stick to certain metals, mostly iron, nickel, and cobalt. These metals have special magnetic domains where the atoms line up so the magnetic force can pull on them. Most metals, like aluminum, copper, silver, and gold, don't have that kind of atomic arrangement, so the magnet ignores them. All right, quick quiz before we wrap up. Question 1. Do magnets stick to all metals? Nope. Only certain metals like iron, nickel, and cobalt are magnetic. Question 2. Why doesn't a magnet stick to aluminum? Because aluminum's atoms don't have magnetic domains that align with the magnet's pull. Question 3. Can gold be magnetic? Nope. Gold is non-magnetic, which is one reason it's great for jewelry. It won't stick to stuff in your pocket. So the myth is busted. Magnets do not stick to all metals. Next time you grab a magnet, you'll know exactly why some things stick and others don't. This is Sparkie the STEM Lightbulb, shining bright with science facts. Stay curious and keep busting those myths.